is up, Paradise Crew? I hope you're hungry because our friends over at EveryPlate sent us another box, and that means we have another meal for you.
Did somebody say meals?
I did. Yeah.
Ooh, that sounds very delicious. Right now, we are on week 4 of losing weight for a cruise, and I cannot wait to eat this healthy food we have to the right, Dijon butter steak.
I'm so excited. But if you guys want to take advantage of our awesome code, you can get 3 weeks worth of meals for $2.99 each. Just use our code in the description box below. It is Griff and Alyssa 3.
That sounds like a delicious steal.
It does.
Ooh. So let's get started. We've got potatoes, we've got steak, we've got Dijon, we've got the butter. Let's get rolling.
Let's do it.
Alright guys, so when I was sailing on the Carnival Panorama, I got off the ship weighing in around 226 pounds. As of right now, I weigh 217 pounds, which is great. But on our last video, you saw that we ate pasta, which is a refined carb, a processed carb, whatever you want to call it. And we decided to do it a little different this time. No processed foods. So we're doing Dijon butter steak, which is going to be fun. So the people that commented in the last video saying I can't lose weight by eating pasta, you can actually go to EveryPlate and switch it up by getting whole foods, which we're going to make today. Asparagus, steak, and some potatoes. Can't get any simpler than that. Alyssa, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, Paradise Crew. So the goal of this meal is to be easy, quick, healthy. It is 8:10. We're looking to get done in about 30 minutes or less. And we're just gonna get started here. So we'll cut some B-roll and we'll give you guys updates along the way.
All right, guys, so if you missed our last video, 1, I suggest you go watch it after this one. And 2, EveryPlate gives you menu cards, which is super awesome because that way you can't mess it up. So you follow the directions, step 1 through 6, and you get a delicious meal. So let's get started. We already preheated the oven to 450 degrees. Our oven takes a while to preheat, so went ahead and I did that ahead of time. And they want the potatoes, it says, where did it say? 1/2-inch pieces. So we're gonna try to do 1/2-inch pieces. I'm not an expert potato cutter by any means, especially when it gets stuck in the knife. I feel like you're an expert potato cutter.
I didn't know what to say to that.
Thank you.
Thank you. I do know how to cut a potato. I also know how to cut a rug and cut the cheese.
Okay.
All right, this is moving pretty quickly. We just chopped up the rosemary, easy. Alyssa did the shallot, which was easy. And now we are adding a little bit of olive oil to the potatoes, and we're pretty much at the home stretch, I think.
We'll just sprinkle what we think. I like rosemary. So.
Me too.
Another coat. I put garlic in here because I accidentally did it this week and I loved it. So essentially we're roasting garlic with our potatoes.
So guys, earlier this week we made the cranberry pork chops, which was delicious.
So good.
So good. Had garlic, potatoes, like pan-seared pork chops, and we had some roasted green beans with it. It was absolutely delicious.
Chopped shallot, 1/2 of the Dijon, remaining rosemary, and a salt of pepper.
All right.
A salt of pepper. A salt and pepper. A salted pepper. All right. We have butter this week. So it says we need 3 tablespoons, which is a lot, but...
Guys, we use Kerrygold. It's grass-fed butter. It's really good.
Excelente. Got the shallots. We got some rosemary. Yep, that smells delightful. So now we need to wait for 8 more minutes before we put the asparagus in the oven. And it says to use a second baking sheet, but I think we can get away with using the same baking sheet.
Cool.
If I just push all of the
Potatoes to the side.
Oh my gosh. Guys, this smells so good. I wish we had smell-o-vision.
Actually, I think we do have smell-o-vision.
Oh, do we?
Guys, if you tap the subscribe button, it will activate the smeller tube.
All right, this says to take the asparagus and drizzle them with olive oil. There's a lot of fat that's going on here that we don't need. So I'm going to spray them with cooking spray instead. Is that okay?
Yep.
We do this a lot with our vegetables. That way, they still roast, they get crispy, they taste great, but it doesn't have all that fat.
What are you doing down here?
She's in my way.
Guys, I don't know about you. How do you like your steaks? Is it medium well, medium rare? I know you guys do a lot of cruising, a lot of travel. What is the right answer to make a steak? Right now, we put it in a cast iron skillet, a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna pan sear it like 3 to 4 minutes for each side. But I think Alyssa likes her steak medium well. Sorry,
Nope.
medium, and I like mine medium.
I like my medium rare.
Medium rare. Medium rare. I like mine medium well.
Well?
Well, with a question mark. A little bit of pink in the center. I definitely don't like it done. Well done. I can't do that. Let me know how you guys make your steaks in the comment section below. What's the right answer here?
That beauty.
A little bit of butter you just made. Dijon butter. Smells delicious in there, guys.
It does, it smells so good. The rosemary and the garlic together is amazing. Nice bread. Oh my goodness. Let it rest.
Guys, look at that. Will you look at that? You are crushing it right now.
These potatoes though, look,
Yeah.
look how crispy on the outside, but I know it's gonna be nice and fluffy on the inside.
Would you like some? Okay guys, the time is 8:53.
We had a little,
We stopped a couple of times. You know, we were filming at the same time, but overall we were moving pretty quickly. Oh baby, that is a red steak.
I'm excited about it.
That's what I'm talking about.
A nice sear. We need to talk about this butter though.
Really good.
It's so good.
Guys, look at her meal. Look how good that looks.
It's a little sloppy because, you know, I cut it on the plate and not on a cutting board, which I know you're supposed to do, but I'm not a chef.
Which is why.
Which is why we have EveryPlate, because I don't really like to cook, but this takes it makes it a little easier. We'll just say that.
Fair enough.
And that way we can do it together and you're not forced to do it.
What's it taste like? Get in there.
Oh, I tasted the potatoes. It tastes really good.
Right. Hey. Let me hop into this.
That's pretty good.
Let me taste this.
Yours is a little more done.
That is delicious.
Isn't it good?
I've never put really herb butter on my steaks. Normally it's just a pan-seared steak.
Right. With the Dijon
Mm-hmm.
and the rosemary.
Oh, that's good.
I could just eat this butter.
All right, guys, if you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
If you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise.
Peace.
Bye.